Hello, finally for the first time I'm doing this, really excited. So how does this work? Questions? Okay, yeah. Mm, Hi, Ganga. Okay, lots of highs. Um, I'm from Tamil Nadu. So yes, I have quite a few Tamil projects happening. Too quickly. Sabri, Sasi, in future, if I become a director, will you accept my story? I'll definitely listen to you. um, which wishes would you like to fill if again become a small girl? I think I live every day like a child, so I don't think much changed. Arshi, this I love you from the day I saw you in theater and YMC. Thank you very much. Too many comments too fast, I can't read. um, Samantha Sino, okay. My life ambition is I want to take a selfie with you. I really, really hope that happens. Uh, Praveen Gigli, you are always bubbly. Mitra is my favorite. Mitra is my favorite too. I really, really had fun playing Mitra, and I really hope I get characters like that in the future. Uh, Sheikh Mehboob, do you have to an act with? Do you have a dream to act with a hero? Actually, I have a lot of dreams to work with directors mostly. But I think my favorite director on my wish list would be Mani Ratnam sir. I really, really would like. I missed one opportunity, and I would really love to get that opportunity again. Mm. Love to see your pair again. Whose pair? I'm sorry, Harish. I didn't get that question. Divya Rao, congratulations to JNU. Thank you. Thank you very much. Sharif Ali Parangal, I'm a hardcore fan of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Um, Surendra Reddy, I want to see you working with Charan. I would love to work with Charan too. Uh, Adil Yasin, I'm a huge fan of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the love. I think that you guys are what keeps me going, and I'm really, really thankful. I feel like I got a lot of things very easy because of the love that you have given me from my first film, and I really want to say thank you for always being so kind to me from the beginning till now. Thank you so much. Sandeep Sandy, who's the best dancer in Tollywood? NTR. uh, Indrayan, thank you so much to help all the kids. Thank you for all your support. Pratyusha has got a lot of support from people like you, and thank you for that. Giridharan, I want to see you in a fully actress centered. Um, I don't go after scripts that I don't go after scripts that just are called heroine oriented, but I go after good stories, stories that I would like watching in the theater, and I promise that next year is not going to be any different. It's the films that I have signed. Uh, I will definitely be doing almost 5 films next year, and the films that I have signed are definitely good stories. I can promise you that, and also I have good roles in it. um, Shiny Shivu, I love your acting. Would you ever do a Malayalam film? I would love to do a Malayalam film. I'm a huge fan. I watch a Malayalam film, I watch a lot of them, and I have huge respect for the actors, the directors there, and would definitely love to be a part of the Malayalam industry. Hassan, what are the harsh reality that actresses face after attaining top position? Is it living like a normal person? Um, well, you know, being an actress is tough because you're constantly judged and you're compared, and it is tough. But I've had a lot of things that have kept me grounded. Like I have always treasured really small things in life, and I've had goals for myself about how serious to take this profession. So I think I've been following the goals that I've set for myself pretty strictly. So I think I'm okay, but I would say that it is definitely a tough life. Um, Hi Sam, this is Arun from Palavaram. I'm a diehard Talabadi fan. When would I expect? Uh, Love that. Okay, so well, you never know. Might be soon. More questions. Too fast, too fast. I can't read. Your movie is simply superb. Nu Kharaju in Umidi, you and NTR combination movies are too good. I love acting with NTR. He's a very good friend and a very, very good person, and I would love to work with him again. Sai Krishna, I loved you in the role Jessie. Your name sounds really romantic. Samantha, ooh, my name sounds romantic. Never heard that before, but okay. Should I tell my mum? um, then Harish Hack, day by day you're improving in selecting the scripts like 24, Katti, Manam. Keep up your good work. Hope you entertain us. Thank you, thank you. I do put in an effort in selecting the scripts that I do. Um, they don't come very often, and hence I wait a while before just select my scripts, and hopefully next year is going to be good as well. Interesting projects in the pipeline. Really interesting, really different though, because I think as I've aged, my priorities, the films that I want to do, are slightly changing as well. So they will be different. They can't be the same films that I've always been doing. They can't be the same characters that I've always been playing. So be a little patient with me and see. You'll probably be okay with the choices that I make next year. Mm. Who's your favorite Hollywood director? I went through the longest Woody Allen phase. Um, I love you, Shravani Suman. I love your if they make a remake of sorry, I couldn't understand that. Sorry. Akshay Adip, I've seen you in Hyderabad. 1 meter behind me. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't say hi. um, Naveen Prabhu, all the best for your future life. You're supporting many people, especially kids. Continue this even after your marriage, for sure. Pratyusha will never stop. I have big plans for Pratyusha, and it will never stop. That's the reason why I started Pratyusha while I was in my peak, so that it will sustain itself. Meghna, Savitri Garu, Sridevi Garu, Soundarya Garu, and Samantha, proud of Telugu cinema. That's a really, really sweet thing to say. Thank you very much. Very touched. Any plan, Vijay, any plan to direct or produce movies in the future? I don't know. Never say never. Never say never. uh, Anusila Naidu Selvaraj, hello Sam, you've been one of the role models that I always wanted to become after my mum. Your kind act and the way you are really impressed me. You can do better. You can definitely do better, Anusila. All the best. Arun Kumar Dakshu, Manam is the best movie of yours according to me. Your acting was superb in that. Keep up the good work. Thank you very much. Manam is a special film for me for various reasons. um, Vijay Kote, I have recently seen Pattendirukula. It's the cutest performance of you. too bad the film didn't do so well. um, but it's, I think that my failures have taught me a lot. It has pushed me to become better, to do more. So I've become very greedy in the process. Mm. Dilip Vinayak, cute acting in independent role would suit much better. I'm sure the audience keep on watching your acting. Thank you. I really hope I do get roles that challenge me. Ravi Naidu, may all your movies be blockbusters. Thank you very much. Um, uh, Reshma, Reshu, great job, Sam. Congrats for Naga Chaitanya. You're cute and very naughty. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much. Bharat, it is too complicated to get a reply from you. I'm really sorry, but there you got your reply. Okay, so Arun Nanda, hi Sam, this is Arun from Hyderabad. I love you so much, especially the character from YMC. So it's been 8 years, I think, 2010, okay, 6 years, and I don't know anymore. Recently, I saw this poll where Samantha's best performances, and it still says Yemaya Chesave. I don't know if that is a compliment or a really great big insult that I haven't bettered a performance from that I did in my first film. So that's deeply, deeply disturbing that I couldn't better up my performance from my first film. So I'm going to stick around so hard until I do a film that beats Jessie and Yemaya Chesave. Shaveen Haran, your acting was amazing in Tupaki. I'll tell Kajal that she was amazing in Tupaki for sure, because it's definitely not me. Then Abhishek Kumar, ma'am, your beauty will increase with every movie. What is the secret? Good cinematography. Trust me. And better makeup. Even though Harish okay, even though you've reached such heights, you're still so humble and a wonderful human being. You've been an inspiration to many of us. Keep up the good work. Thanks a lot. Well, I don't. I get asked this as in how come you're so humble. I just never understood what that meant really. This is just me. I'm not trying to be anything. It's just who I am. Then Amir, hello Samantha, I'm from Pakistan. I'm a very big fan. Thank you very much. Lots of love from India. Hi, Akineni Samantha, Fazil. Wow, okay, not yet Akineni Samantha, but thank you. Actress Chandana, hey Sam, one small song line, Priyatama. Kushalama. Okay, so yeah, and I got really lucky that I was in films with Rahman and Ilayaraja sir, and I've been really lucky with the films that were given to me. I don't think too many actresses have got the opportunities that I did to work with Gautam Menon twice, to work with Rahman, Ilayaraja, to work with Rajmouli sir, Trivikram sir, and the kind of films Manam, Vikram Kumar, 24, with Atli, Terry, I just feel like I have been there at the right time, at the right place. And I've got all these wonderful characters that I played, and I'm extremely thankful to my directors for giving me these roles, and to you guys who have been more than loving. You've been extremely loyal for so long. I know that there are many girls who come, but I know that the love that you have given me has always been constant and never decreased. and I'm really, really thankful to that, and I wish I deserve it, and I wish that I always make you happy and proud. Mm. Your Sharon Raj, your acting in Terry was amazing. You made us cry. Well, before doing that scene, and when Atli told me the scene, I knew that this scene was my scene, and I said, Atli, I am going to like do everything I can to make everybody in the theater cry, and if that happens, it will be my greatest achievement. So when I went to the theater to watch Terry, and I sat down with my friends, and when that scene came, and when I die in the film, the first thing I did is like I looked around everywhere, and my own friends, even Chaitanya, was sitting next to me and crying. So I think that was I was my most happiest moment. That this is something I put in a lot of effort, and I spoke to Atli a lot before that scene in Terry, and I really, really needed people to cry, and they did. um, thank you for all these lovely, lovely messages. It really, really feels, I don't know, blissful to read all these comments, and to just get so much love, and I don't know how to give back, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for always supporting me and watching my films, and encouraging me. Thank you so much. Love you.